Today is the first day of Book Navratri and we worship Ma Kali. What I have here is the Kali Yantra and I'm going to tell you what does this yantra mean. Understand that Ma Kali is all black because she represents creation. Whenever something is created, it gets born from darkness. The baby gets born from the womb of the mother, which is dark. The plant gets born from the seed. The seed is in the land, inside the land, which is dark. So anything that is representing creation will start from a dark place. So any transformation, any new creation also starts from a dark place. Kali Yantra represents the principles of creation. This dot, these triangles, these circles, all of this represent the principles of creation. Now, the way to see and read a yantra for a sansari person like me, for us, is we have to understand that we are going from the outside to the inside. This dot is our destination. This dot represents a seeker's connection to the Supreme Consciousness. The 5 triangles, downward triangles around here represents the layers of these consciousness. The first layer is the Annamaya, then Manomaya, then Vijnanamaya, then Pranamaya, then Anandamaya. First layer is the physical layer, second is the emotional layer, then the intellect layer, then the life force, and then the bliss. In 5 triangle में 15 corners हैं, 15 corners, and out of these 15 corners, the 5 corners are your sense organs, which is sight, hearing, smell, touch, taste. The rest 5 are your action organs, which is your speaking, hand movement, leg movement, procreation, excretion. And then the rest 5 are your subtle elements, which is color, sound, odor, feeling and flavor. Just to let you know, since this is a Kali Yantra, all the triangles are downward inverted because Kali represents the root chakra. Root chakra is the very first chakra in our body from where we excrete. So she has a tamasic energy, that's why we see the downward circles here. Kali is also responsible for creation, and when we think of creation, we think of a baby. Where does the baby come out from? It also comes out from one of the lower chakras, and the way for a baby to come out is to move downwards. These 2 circles represent the cycles of birth and death. To reach supreme consciousness, we have to come out of this loop, understand our karma and process it. Then comes these 8 lotus petals, which represents the Prakriti के principles. The 5 are the principles of material, 5 are the principles of ये 5 हैं हमारे 5 तत्व, अग्नि, वायु, जल, धरती, आकाश, और 3 है माइंड, इंटेलेक्ट, ईगो. These are